1950s, air travel was on the cusp of a revolution. The De-Havilland Comet, the world's first commercial jet airliner, represented the dawn of a new era. It promised faster, quieter, and more luxurious flights. But behind this revolutionary design lay fatal flaws that would turn triumph into tragedy. Let's dive into the story of the Comet, an aircraft that changed aviation forever. Before the Comet, airliners relied on propellers, which limited speed and comfort. The Comet was different. Powered by 4 jet engines, it could cruise above 40,000 feet, well beyond the weather and turbulence that plagued propeller planes. Its cabin was pressurized, and its design was sleek and modern. It offered a glimpse of what air travel could become: fast, smooth, and luxurious. For passengers, it felt like stepping into the future. From an engineering perspective, the Comet was truly ahead of its time. Its engines were neatly tucked inside the wings for superior aerodynamics, reducing drag and noise. The pressurized cabin allowed for higher altitude flights, cutting travel times. And the aircraft's large square windows provided panoramic views of the world below, a design choice that, as we'll see, would soon turn catastrophic. Despite these groundbreaking innovations, something went terribly wrong. In 1954, 2 Comet aircraft disintegrated mid-flight, resulting in the loss of all lives aboard. The world was stunned. How could the most advanced airliner of its time simply fall apart? The answer lay in the aircraft's design. The square windows, a major aesthetic feature, were also the source of its downfall. Engineers discovered that the stress around the corners of these windows created weak points in the fuselage. After repeated pressurization cycles, the metal began to crack, leading to catastrophic structural failure. The Comet's early promise had been shattered, both figuratively and literally. The disasters prompted one of the most thorough crash investigations in aviation history. Engineers realized that the Comet's square windows concentrated stress around the corners. The solution was deceptively simple round windows. This design evenly distributed stress across the fuselage, preventing the kind of metal fatigue that had doomed the Comet. This crucial discovery was integrated into all future aircraft designs, marking a turning point for aviation safety. Though the early Comets were withdrawn from service, their impact on aviation was far from over. Lessons learned from the Comet's failures informed the design of future jetliners like the Boeing 707 and the Douglas DC-8. These aircraft, built with improved safety features, would dominate the skies for decades and usher in the global jet age. Today, the Comet is remembered not just for its tragic failures but for the innovations that shaped modern air travel. It was a pioneer in every sense of the word, both in its achievements and in the vital lessons it taught the aviation industry. The De-Havilland Comet was a leap into the unknown, a bold vision of what air travel could be. Its early tragedies remind us of the delicate balance between innovation and safety. But in the end, its legacy helped shape the very foundations of modern aviation, ensuring that today's airliners fly safer, faster, and higher than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the incredible stories behind aviation and engineering breakthroughs.